today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make 50 cedis daily without any investment. So at the course of the video, I'll be teaching you guys the tips and then the tricks that you need to follow in order to make this 50 Ghana cedis without any investment. So I'm going to show you how you can make money online. That's why you need to watch the video. You need to watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any key things in this video. If today is your first time watching my video, my name is Isaac and I do video on how to make money online. I also do video on how to use your phone, how to make good use of your phone to earn something. And then I also do review apps, I review websites, and a whole lot of videos that I do here. If today is your first time coming here, you're welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, I'll be taking you through how you can make this 50 Ghana cedis or more every day with this. So I'll be taking you through my phone and I'll be showing you all the things that you need to do in order to get this 50 cedis or more. I'm talking about it is called Tendo. Yes, Tendo app. Tendo, Tendo. So this is the app that I'm talking about. So you can get it from Play Store. Okay, you just go to Play Store and download this app. Now when you download this app, this is not the interface that you're going to see. You have to create your account. Okay, you have to fill, you'll be given some things to fill, particulars to forms to fill. Now after filling the forms, you need to provide your mobile money number. That is where you can get your money. That is when you go to the account side, make sure that you provide your mobile money number so that you'll be able to get your money when someone buy an item from you. So this is what is the app looks like. So as you can see, after you have registered and you are good to go. So this is, you see top categories. Then we have bags, watch, then we have mobile phone, then we have sneakers. Okay, so these are some of the top categories there. So you can scroll down and you'll be seeing all the categories. So this is what this app do, is that it's just like a shopping platform where there are a lot of things here that you can buy from, but this time we are not going to buy the item. We are going to sell these items to our social media followers. So we are going to share it in our social media platforms and in our WhatsApp status. So what you have to do is that after you have created, so when you go to the account, you see your profile. So this is my profile, as you can see. Yes, so and we have wallets. So just that I haven't make any sales, so I'm just doing this for you to see. And we have other things here. Categories deals with the category, whether you are to sneakers, whether into phones, whether into bags or watches. So this is, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this Tendo app. So all what you have to do is that after you have registered, you just scroll down to the categories or the products, and then you see the products that you can market or you can advertise for on your social media platforms. So I'll be scrolling down. As you can see, these are the items here, and somebody may ask, how can I get the money from this ones? This is a selling or a shopping platform. So let me take this t-shirt. Let's say I have this t-shirt, I want to advertise for this t-shirt. So you just click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, you see that men's t-shirt, and then the price is what, 50 7 cedis. Then the description, the product, and the color and sizes, everything is here. Okay, so what you have to do is that when you look at this down here, you see share product. So I'm going to share this product. You click on share. Then the moment you click on share, you share that add profit and share with friends and customers. So the actual price of this t-shirt is what, 57 cedis. Now looking at this one, add profit. So I'm going to put my profit on this t-shirt, which is not mine. Yes, so I'll just add, let's say 20 cedis to 8. Okay, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 21 cedis to 8. So the price of this t-shirt has jumped from 57 to what, 78. So this 21 cedi that I have added is my profit. So how can I get my profit? To get your profit is simple. You just click on share products. So just wait, you click here, share products. So as you can see, when I click the share product, so this is the various social media platform. Facebook is here, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp is here, and um, uh, Instagram is also here. So we have a whole lot of social media places that you can share these items. So if I want to share to my Facebook, you just click on Facebook, then you share the product to Facebook, okay, for the peoples to buy. So let's say that we want to share to WhatsApp, okay, so you click on WhatsApp, just click on WhatsApp, and where I am sharing to, are you sharing this product to a specific person, or you are sharing the product to your status? So I'll click my status, and then boom, I am sharing the products on my status. So what the magic is that when anyone click on this item from my status and buy it, I will be giving this 20 cedis profits. Yes, it will be given to me as my profits, and just that I'm sharing this links, and then I will be getting money from it. So guys, so this is how you can make one part of this um, app that you can make money from it. And we have other parts too. You can go here and you say, you can see there is something that I need to show you, refer and earn. So you can also come here, you can refer people to this platform. So you just the link, then you share the links to social media platform to your friends. So when any of your friends join this platform, you will also be given some amount of money. So this is how you can start making money in Ghana without investment. And they, under this app, you are not going to do the delivery, they will do the delivery themselves. So if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video for other people to get. See you in the next video. Bye bye.